Hey guys, so today I am here with a pretty exciting video in a video that has been requested quite a bit, and that is our empty house tour. So this video was filmed a couple of months ago. We got our keys at the end of April, beginning of May, so I filmed it like right when we got our keys, and we moved into our house for 2 months now, which is kind of crazy. I have not filmed a room tour or like a house tour or an apartment tour in a very long time, so I was very rusty when filming this video. But do not fret, I do plan on doing like a fully furnished house tour. I'm gonna say probably in like, don't quote me, but maybe like 6 months or so, just because I want us to have everything that we want to decorate with, because right now we've been kind of picking up pieces here and there to decorate, but I do want to do a fully furnished house tour eventually, as well as some like clean with me's and decorate with me's, and I would love to do any sort of like home related videos. I think those are so fun. So without further ado, this is our house tour. I hope you enjoy. So starting with my front door, which I love very much, I will stand right here, and this is the entryway area. You can see the stairs, and then directly into the living room. This is our vinyl flooring, and then the carpet does start with the stairs. I love how like open and big this is. I just love tall ceilings. I feel like it makes it feel very just nice having this like tall ceiling area right here. So then going straight through this little entryway, which we'll probably put some sort of entry table here potentially, we'll see. This is our living room. We have all the lights turned on right now. So this is, I'll stand very back in the corner here. So from the floor up, we have living room, dining room, kitchen, and then a small space over here. This small space we'll probably put some sort of desk or something for Avery to potentially do schoolwork on, or maybe we'll just leave it open and it can be like a decorative area in the future. And then obviously we're empty right now because it's an empty house tour. So this is the living room. Our backyard is pretty large. The fam is out there right now playing. Oh, he's peeking. Hello, little baby. So cute. And then this is our dining room. I kind of want to get the light bulbs that make it more white light versus so like warm. So this is going to be our dining room area, and then I'll back up a little bit. Here's the kitchen. And then this is what the downstairs looks like from this area. Avery's messing with rocks. So this is our little island. This is the granite that we picked. The sink is in the middle. We picked white cabinets. I just like how bright everything looks with white cabinets as opposed to dark. We had dark cabinets in our first couple of apartments, but our last apartment had white cabinets, and I just really like how bright it made everything look. So here's our stove and our microwave. Here's our fridge and our freezer. And then this is the other side of the sink area where trash is going to go under here, which I really like. I feel like it's nice to be hidden away. And then we do have a pantry right here, which we didn't have a pantry in our last apartment. I'm going to do an empty apartment tour, but we did not have a pantry, which kind of sucked because we've gotten used to one. And then in this area, so straight back is the garage. To the right is our laundry room. Let me turn on the light in here so you can just get a better visual. I don't know what that is. I think that's part of the vinyl floor. And then this is the guest bathroom, or just the downstairs bathroom. We are getting new toilets installed tomorrow, so they are a little bit tiny right now, but they will be larger later. I don't know, it's like a Harry Potter toilet. It's cute. And then there, is the sink. Not sure if you noticed the doors have the same paneling to match the front door. So let's go ahead and head back over to the front, and then we'll go upstairs. So like I said, the carpet starts there. We do have sort of a coat closet right here. And then you just go up the stairs, the same wood as our front door. We do have two different like little landing spaces up here. I'll show you better when I get up the stairs, but let's see. So we have two little landing spaces, which I feel like the cats are just gonna, our cat is just gonna get stuck there, I have a feeling. But this is really cute. And then this is the look, we have our toilets up here already, so don't mind that. But this is our like loft area, probably gonna be like a playroom. Really nice and big, good size for the girls. And then there is a, I don't know, I guess like bookshelf right here, which is nice. And then coming out of the stairs or off the stairs, right here is another coat closet. And then we go into the master. I'll stand in the back corner so maybe you can get an actual visual of how big it is. So here's our master. Behind the door to the bedroom is the bathroom. So we have our shower. It's a standing shower with this tile and this grout. I just touched it, oh my gosh. And then white marble vinyl tops. There's the big mirror, which I might change eventually to 2 circle mirrors, I'm not quite sure yet. And then behind the door is this sort of like linen area and a toilet. So on the other side is the closet. You'll see our master closet in our apartment was just like absolutely massive. It was like the size of a 2nd bedroom, so it's nice to see kind of a smaller version of that. And then coming back out, I need to turn off the lights as I go. To the right of the stairs is going to be Brian's area, his little room, one of the bedrooms, I suppose. This will eventually probably be one of the girls' rooms, or maybe even just keep it as an office for me and Brian in the future. Here's his closet. And then coming out of here, going into this way, to the left is another bedroom. We have some paint in here because we're going to be painting this wall. Nice and roomy. And then here is the closet to this room. A lot bigger. I didn't open the 2nd door, but a lot larger. Turn off the light to this room. And then to the right of that is what it could be a linen closet. We'll probably make it a linen / games closet. Here is the bathroom. Again, same double sink and a tub and all of that. And then this is the last bedroom. Again, really small but perfect. And here's the closet for that. And that is just about it. Let's go peek at the kids and see if they're running around. Oh, can't even see them.